Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we're unboxing an incredible lighting solution for looking your best on camera. This is the LITRA Beam LX, a dual-sided streaming key light with our TrueSoft technology, LIGHTSYNC RGB accent lighting, G-Hub integration, and so much more. So let's get into it. First thing we see is a handy quick start guide printed on the lid of the box. Here, we have the extendable arm, which uses a 1/4-inch standard camera thread, meaning there's a whole world of mounting options. On the back of the arm are some cable notches for easy cable management. And here is the LITRA Beam LX. Let's set this aside for now and come back to it. Next, we'll remove the Keep Playing accessory box, and underneath we find the base. The base has a nice weight to it, which is great for stabilizing the light. Now, it's time for the peel. Nice. Let's go ahead and put this all together. First, let's line up the arm to the mount, making sure it's keyed in the right direction, and then use the screw head at the bottom of the mount to secure both pieces. Next, we'll grab our LITRA Beam LX and line up this threaded hole in the middle of the bar to the top of our arm. You can see we have a few mounting options with mount points on the bottom and side, but let's demonstrate with this one. Continue to rotate the light until it feels secure. This infinite screw is designed to prevent over-tightening or breaking. With that covered, let's crack open the accessory box. Inside is some documentation, which we'll set aside. Next, we have a 2-meter USB-C to USB-A cable, which we'll use to connect our LITRA Beam to our computer. And this is a 3-meter power adapter with an international plug, which we'll use to power the LITRA. Because we're in the US, we have this US power adapter. Now, let's put it all together. First, we'll plug in the power cable to the light. You can use these cable notches to cable manage if you want to keep a clean aesthetic. The light works without being connected to a computer, but connecting gives you so much more control. There are 2 ways to connect the LITRA Beam LX. You can manually connect this USB cable to the USB port on your computer, or you can wirelessly connect using Bluetooth by long pressing the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds until the Bluetooth LED starts blinking rapidly to begin pairing to your device. For our setup, we're connecting via cable. Once connected, we can finally see the buttons in action. Our main button is the power button, which will turn the light on. These plus and minus buttons control brightness, and these 2 buttons are temperature buttons that make the lighting warmer or cooler. The key light uses TrueSoft technology designed to deliver cinematic color accuracy from a very warm 2700 Kelvin to a very cool 6500 Kelvin. This switch activates the other side of the bar, the RGB accent light. So if it's switched in this direction, it controls this side of the beam, and if you switch it to the other, it controls the other side of the beam. To turn on the accent light, you'll want to press the power button again. Pressing the temperature button in this mode engages and scrolls through the RGB options, which is capable of delivering a full spectrum of colors. You can get creative with lighting combinations based on your environment. For full control of your LITRA Beam LX, be sure to download Logitech G-Hub and check out our Introduction to G-Hub video. There are so many ways to configure the LITRA Beam LX for your setup. The extendable arm has a good reach, and you can angle the light any direction you need. You can go horizontal, vertical, angled, whatever works best for you. I hope that covers everything you can do with a LITRA and everything that comes in the box. If you have any questions or concerns, please check the description below for our support site to access FAQs, setup guides, and tons of other resources. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.